Hello everyone, today's topic is web hosting and managing multimedia content. Web hosting is a service that allows users allows hosting post web server applications on a computer system through which web browser clients can have easy access to electronic content on the internet. Web server or web host is a computer system that provide web hosting. There are different types of web hosting. The first one is the free hosting, second one virtual or shared hosting, dedicated hosting, co-location hosting, cloud hosting. Here free hosting is that allow non-paid hosting of web pages. We need not to pay any fees for these type of hosting. This type of hosting is available with many prominent sites that offer to host some web pages for no cost like Hostengel. The advantages here is it is free of cost, use websites to place advertisements, banners and other forms of advertising media. The disadvantages of this type of hosting is no customer service, low bandwidth and lesser data transfer. No control over your website. The control over our website will be less. So second one is shared or virtual hosting. It is a hosting service where many people will share the same server. So this type of hosting is provided under one's own domain name. With the hosting plan with the web hosting company. One can present oneself as a fully independent identity to his or her audience. The advantages, it is easy and affordable, and 24/7 service is provided by the web hosting companies secured by hosting provider. Some of the disadvantages here is shared resources can slow down the whole server, less flexible than dedicated hosting. So the dedicated hosting is one entire server is registered with us, hosted on a dedicated server. This type of hosting is best suited for large websites with high traffic. In this, the company wishing to go online rent the entire web server from a hosting company. So this is suitable for large scale industries or big online malls like Google Cloud. Advantages is ideal for large scale industries or large companies, suited for them who have a large number of users or a traffic to their website. Strong database support, unlimited software service, powerful email solutions and with complete root access to our server. Disadvantages, it is very expensive as it is a dedicated server for a single user. So the cost is very high. It requires superior skill sets to manage that server. Next one is co-located hosting. This hosting lets you place your own web server on the premises of a service provider. It is similar to that of dedicated hosting, except for that the fact that the server is now provided by the user company itself and it's physically maintained by the hosting company like AWS. The advantages is greater bandwidth, high bandwidth, unlimited software options, high security. Disadvantages of this is difficult to configure and debug. It is very expensive, require high skills. To manage these servers, it requires high skills. So these are the disadvantages of co-located hosting. Now let us see what are the importance of hosting a web. One is performance. By hosting a web through a web hosting server, it will take care of processing power, it will take care of internal memory and other computing resources. So the website developer need not to worry about these things and he can fully concentrate on the page or the content he is going to create. Next one is reliability. It provides reliable services by providing all the IT resources, so that we need not to focus on it, and the web content creator can focus on delivering good content to the user. Next is technical support. It also provide, the web hosting companies also provide the technical supports like data analytics, data backup and recovery, and other features that related to help us to run the website smoothly. This is the technical support. Next, one of the importance of is security and compliance. Web hosting services use an end-to-end approach to secure infrastructure, including physical, operational and software measures that meet all compliances requirements. So, most web hosting companies provide different hosting packages. The charge will be based on the requirements of a developer. If we want that depends on the amount of the monthly web hosting cost, can range from free to paid. That depends on the size of our website, the traffic or the user that the daily visits to our website, that depends on that, and the peak time website or web page traffic or web hosting features that are required. Depending upon these things, the monthly cost of a web hosting will be decided. Next, let us see what are the features of web hosting. The first one is disk space. So, what is the space required to host our web is disk space. So, by keeping in mind that future growth, we have to decide the disk space of a website. Next, bandwidth and data transfer. Bandwidth is the amount of data that your website can transfer to visitor at a time, whereas data transfer is the amount of data that is actually being transferred. So, these are the basic about web hosting.